You'll come hoping to get something or someone. Something like a piece of meat and someone like a tourist. These prefer Japanese and like sushi better.
Oh, nice.
Don't try it at home. All if it says made in China. Damn, so it was crazy. Well, let's be the best of ideas.
Long time. Ready? Ready? Dale, 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 dale. Black River Safari. To your right, to your right. The crocodile. Don't go in there. It's not safe. Right, Javi? Force me come over here. Black River Safari. Crocodile tour. What is up? Yeah, let me see. But I like this vibe. Like survive the pontoon. The more safe cartal.
The sides they go back in the Black River.
Oh.
On the side we have the different sizes. Oh yeah, so they big like a fillet, they eat the turtles. Like a dive fillet, the big one we touch. Like that size of the turtles. They got 3-year-old. Yeah, they're like. Yeah, this is.
Ay, ¿cómo le mira de pronto? Yeah, he's like, that eyesight. He's like, no.
I don't want to talk. Nobody wants to tie that. I share out the whole him, but don't kiss him, alright?
Do you want mine? Don't worry.
No, that's what's there. Looks good on you. Don't chop it up. One right here.
Daniel.
Put it back your hat.
Let me hold your knife.
Yeah, my knife.
One right here.
Oh, really?
But don't kiss it. Don't kiss it. Or is it tied? Or you bite you? Don't kiss it.
Nice.
Alright. Se olviden de mato. Ya, ¿verdad? En plan, por favor, I love the touch.
Touch.
Yeah.
Remember, no kiss.
No.
Nice.
Wow.
Wicked.
Qué difícil. Wow. ¿Me has visto cómo pincha esto?
Want to grab Greta for your tour?
Jag tror jag sa progress holding that.
Hold my take a picture.
Coge el knife.
Holding nice.
Sí.
One on here. And then in the neck here. As long as they turn on your face and can't bite you, you have full control of it.
Okay.
Yay.
Wicked.
So cool.
And these all
Super
also
small.
close to how I'm dressed.
Ah,
We have a
yeah.
hat too, but not every day we wear our hat. So he hat, pants.
Oh yeah.
Ah, yeah.
It's similar.
Nice.
The babies are in that.
Oh,
Oh.
Can we?
Padrilo.
Yeah, soft and nice, man.
Thank you. Oh, so sweet.
Oh.
Alright, sorry.
Perdonar, chicos.
Sorry to disturb.
They're soon to be 5 months.
Oh, wow.
Huh?
They run away from everything because like this size, everything tries to eat them.
Oh,
Ah,
so
yeah,
the
because
so-
they think that
They're ready to
they
bite
are
because they
going-
hatch with teeth, but as long as you don't squeeze them, you
It's
can
very
hold them,
small.
but don't squeeze them. They won't bite you.
I love how to preserve them, don't know.
Beautiful.
Put it down in a video too. You
Wow,
know.
it's beautiful.
So relax, man.
Just chilling, man.
It's
Yeah.
chilling.
You know,
Yeah.
relax,
Now
man.
he's like, okay.
I love the hands.
Yeah, then you can.
Look at that.
Hello. Okay.
Sí, hombre.
Ay, tengo muchas cosas en la mano.
So you can always hold the tail because they move pretty fast, so you can restrict them by the tail.
That's so beautiful. How are you, boy? Or girl? I don't know.
Not sure. They all come with this. And as they grow older, you have to go inside to know if a boy or girl.
Oh.
Oh.
Usually the boys start to get more bigger and they will get more aggressive.
Uh-huh.
So they will start fighting each other here for this space.
Oh, they're very territorial.
Right.
Mm-hmm.
So if you're not sure of knowing crocodile gender, it's called sexual harassment. Okay, we can exit here.
Good job.
Adiós, amiguitos.
Have some sanitizer from this one.
I'm wicked. Then the sexual harassment. It's wicked, eh? Going on the river tour, Black River Safari. Loving it, loving it, loving it. Yeah.
Goes away right beside the boat, crocodile.
Oh, that's a close them there. Black River Town.
Right, so good afternoon and welcome to the Black River Safari.
Thank you.
My name is Arnell, Captain C will be your tour guide, crocodile down there in your lifeguard.
Okay.
So we're on the Black River, longest navigable river on the island, 44 miles. While nesting, the chicks fall off the branch. Crocodile gets them to eat.
Oh, wow.
And this area is a KFC from crocodiles. They catch the fallen chicks. Every now and then, crocodile hangs out in the roots, waiting for the chicks to fall.
Yeah, never.
The main nesting bird here, they're called cattle egret. They're white with brown facial, brown crown, yellow beak. And Japanese, she likes sushi better. Come girl! Come for Taurus! Oh, this girl has one eye.
Oh, sorry.
She's an older female, she keeps fighting over her man and she lost one eye. Yeah. Luckily in Jamaica the girls don't have to do that too much. Go! So we call them to the boat. They'll come hoping to get something or someone.
When is your moment?
So something like a piece of meat and someone like a tourist. But these prefer Japanese and like sushi better.
Oh, nice. Wow.
So we don't teach them to jump, so we normally open the gate and let them crawl in. Yeah, If it comes on board, it would only eat one person for the day.
Really nice.
For survival.
I'm the closer one.
Yeah, man. Well, 95% of their diet is fish. The other 5 of birds, crabs, frogs, small animals like mongoose and rats. Plus big ones are cannibals. Come. Big ones eat smaller ones. They're cannibals. Go. While I'm feeding her, I have to look out for her boyfriend. He's full of muscles. He could take me away. Don't try it at home. All if it says made in China. Come on, touch it.
Oh, really?
You too. I give her a piece of meat. Cup. This is the bad eye. This is better from the other side.
Nice teeth.
Yeah. She have her own dentist. It's a bird called green heron.
Oh, really?
So the team man.
Dancer with us crazy.
Ja.
These are the world's friendliest crocodiles. Jamaican ones. Not aggressive like those in Africa or Australia. Even Asia. You see these crocodiles and leave them alone and they'll do the same. They'll leave you alone. Or in other words, they have no problem.
Fine.
They only attack you for 2 reasons here in Jamaica. One, if you're bleeding and they can smell blood, you're food. They mostly trap fish, shrimp, and crabs in the Black River. Over that side there, crocodile on the pier, see him lying down? They will come out for the sun. Sunlight is good, it regulates their body temperature and helps with the digestion of their food. So another girl is here. The girls get very long and slender, but not meager. The boys are 4 times the size of the girls. It seems they all go to the same gym, but while the boys pack up the muscles, the girls only train the waist to swim sexy. See how still it is? Unless it's being bothered, it won't move much. What I'm doing there is not the best of ideas. So if you close him in, you might see only one way out. Jump in the boat and then jump off.
Nice.
So if he jumps on the boat, do not jump in the water. Extra shower plants where the plants are growing.
One river come from the left.
This plant is
One
called
on
the bulrush.
on the right.
The bulrush is used for making craft items, baskets, mats, hats, and fans. What language you speak?
Spanish. Spanish. Now we're going to speak.
I think it's Unco.
Oh, yeah. Sí, exactly.
That's the Spanish. So around here we have done wedding pictures. We have done family pictures. And of course, a lot of selfish pictures. Selfie pictures, they're good here too. But while we do daytimes, we don't do night times. Too much mosquitoes. And the bugs are hard to repel in the night. You be sprayed up and they still attack you. Right, so on this tree over here now, if you look back here, you can see this big thing. It looks like a bear on the tree. That dark thing in there, wind is gonna be blowing us, so I'm trying not to go down to him. See if I can get him to come to us, so we can have more pictures of him coming. Go, go boy, go, go. Yeah, he's a biggie. Oh, he's only 14 feet.
Only.
Only.
We have them up to 18 feet. Now 18 feet in Jamaica is big enough. That's like a small Godzilla for us. Australia and Africa, even Asia, up to 24 feet. And that is small because they used to have even 30 footers or 9 meters. So ours go to 6 meters in Jamaica. Now he's a biter and also a jumper. So we don't feed them standing up because you only teach them to jump. It is dangerous to go vertical, but it's safer for you. So we do the risk. You don't try it at home. You want to touch this one too, girl? Come on, it's okay.
I don't know.
Kneel out here. Just hold the palm. Yeah.
Yes, it's super soft.
All the feeling.
Yeah.
You wanna touch it?
Big man, no man, I'm good. Yeah man.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Come on.
It's super soft.
We did it. Come on.
Try.
Go. So you can see how the water is clear.
Yeah.
You can see all of
Yeah.
them.
It's super clear.
Clear if it's open.
Come. Now he's a fighter,
Enorme.
so he's losing all his big teeth from fighting. See all those
What a
dents in
pity.
his face? Right, they're from fighting. Big bruise on the back.
If he's
They're from
alive,
fighting.
he's good.
Right. So he doesn't have to jump on the boat. He's tall enough to step right into it. Right. So that's why you can't feed him standing up because you only teach him to jump.
No.
Right.
Put it on.
Yes.
Hola, guapo.
Good boy.
So this is crocodile.
Wow.
They have a more triangular face. Alligator is more rectangular. So one is more pointed or V-shaped, crocodile, and one is more rectangular shape or U-shaped snout, alligator. So in Jamaica, we say see you in a while, crocodile. We don't say later, for we have no alligator. But the four parents back then couldn't tell them apart. So they called everything alligator.
Yeah.
And we even have places called Alligator Pond, Alligator Hole, no alligator in Jamaica. Now, frogs and toads, same problem for Jamaican foreparents. Couldn't tell them apart. So they called everything bullfrog. And it posed problem now because the princesses come from all over Europe in Jamaica, hoping to find frogs for frog kissing and princes, but it's not working because 90% of the time they kiss the wrong stuff. Right. I used to have some handsome guys, more handsome than me. They play Prince Charming for the pretty princesses. But after they have 10 dates with the princesses, their fame start to fall from high to low. And then guys like these call them gigolo. So the river stops here, well, tour stops here, but the river continues around.
The water.
No, the
What,
touch
the
of the
crocodile?
crocodiles.
Yeah man, it was
Yeah,
good.
they were super smooth.
Yeah man, another awesome tour, you know? Yeah man, Captain Carnell, you know? Amazing tour guide. Did a really good job, right girls?
Yeah,
Yeah.
the best
Really
monologue
nice.
I've
Yeah.
in my life.
Yeah man, yeah
Good
man.
views and good laughs.
One more time. Get your body jiggy jiggy. Come on. Get your body jiggy. Come on, girl. Ready for you long time. Ready. Up there, up there, up there. Ready. All right. Oh, lady, I for trouble if you leave me now. I don't know where to go. Don't indicate the way I from. Easy, I tell you now, Lord. On the mountain I have to. I wish my love that I got to.
Olympics. Woo! Oh, wicked. Wow, nice. Ready? Another Olympics. Ready? Woo! Awesome.